Markets are sending mixed signals today as investors weigh competing narratives. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete Forex market briefing for June 27th. Currency markets are being driven by a complex mix of central bank policy, geopolitical risk, and shifting growth expectations. Let us break it all down. Here is a snapshot of how the major currency pairs are trading today. Euro to US dollar is trading at 1.14, gaining 0.31% on the session. The world's most traded pair is driven by ECB versus Fed rate differentials. Currency markets are reacting to higher oil prices from the war in the Middle East, assessing the headwinds for euro area growth. European Central Bank. Pound sterling to US dollar is trading at 1.32, gaining 0.24% on the session. Sterling is highly sensitive to UK inflation data and Bank of England rate guidance. Investor sentiment is being shaped by as chipmakers lead Wall Street slide on interest rate rise worries. Financial Times. US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at 161.69, losing 0.07% on the session. Dollar yen tracks the US-Japan rate differential and Bank of Japan intervention risk. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. USD SGD is trading at 0.7733, gaining 0.29% on the session. The Singapore dollar reflects Asian FX sentiment, trade flows, and MAS monetary policy. Currency markets are reacting to higher oil prices from the war in the Middle East, assessing the headwinds for euro area growth. European Central Bank. Australian dollar to US dollar is trading at 0.6901, gaining 0.01% on the session. The Aussie dollar closely tracks commodity prices, especially iron ore, and Chinese growth signals. Investor sentiment is being shaped by as chipmakers lead Wall Street slide on interest rate rise worries. Financial Times. US dollar to Chinese yuan is trading at 0.1473, gaining 0% on the session. The onshore yuan reflects PBOC daily fixings, US-China trade dynamics, and capital flow controls. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. US dollar to Indian rupee is trading at 94.30, losing 0.15% on the session. The Indian rupee tracks RBI monetary policy, FII and FPI capital flows, and US-India interest rate differentials. Currency markets are reacting to higher oil prices from the war in the Middle East, assessing the headwinds for euro area growth. European Central Bank. Now let us look at the macro forces behind today's currency moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. Traders are reacting to news that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Investor sentiment is being shaped by as chipmakers lead Wall Street slide on interest rate rise worries. Financial Times. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that stocks rise before Micron's earnings as oil slides, markets wrap. Currency markets are reacting to higher oil prices from the war in the Middle East, assessing the headwinds for euro area growth. European Central Bank. Our near-term view on euro to US dollar. With euro to US dollar moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $1.17 level above and $1.11 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Currency markets can move fast and unexpectedly. Central bank surprises, geopolitical shocks, and data prints are the key risks to monitor. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your Forex briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily currency coverage.